So hello everyone. Today we were discussing the stack. So what is a stack? Stack is a linear data structure that follows the last in, first out, or LIFO principle. It is a collection of elements with two main operations. So yung two main operations na yun ay push and pop method. So this is an example of a stack which titled Simulating Stacks and Comparing Heights. So this program simulates 3 stacks and allows the user to input elements into each stack. So into each stack. Then it calculates and displays the height of each stack and checks if they are equal or not. So finally, it prints the element in each stack and ask the user if they want to continue. So first, mag-create muna tayo ng class stack, which name stack, class stack. So magde-define muna tayo. We initialize an empty list, self.items. So ito na, magde-define ulit tayo ng method to push items, def push, self, and item. So ulit mag-define ulit method to pop items, def.pop. So check if stack is empty. So method to check heights. So ito na main program. So create 3 stacks using list comprehension. So mag-input then magwa-while true, then ito na mag-input na yung user elements of stack. Then naka-loop, input elements for each stack and push them into the stack. Yan, then push the height, print the height of the current stack. So enter ng user kung anong stack, magpiprint ito kung anong height. Then find the maximum and the minimum, and mafa-find niya kung minimum ba or maximum yung height ng stack. Then check if all stacks have equal height or not. Yun, kung lahat ba ng stacks na 3 ay equal or not. Then print the estimate of each stack. Magpiprint na yung tatlong stack. Print the elements of stack yan. Okay, print na. Then ask the user if they want to continue. Kung continue. Pag no na, exit na. Magbe-break na. Then print thank you. So yun, i-run natin. So enter the elements of stack 1, space separated. So 1, 2, 3. Kunyari tatlong value. Yan, total height 3. Isa pa, 3, 4, then 5. Yan, height of 3. Stack 3 naman. 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Yan, stack 3, total height. So all stacks are equal at height 3. So since na all 3, kaya equal. Yan, nakaprint na yung stack 1, stack 2, and stack 3. Then continue or end. So mag-end na tayo para ma-exit na ang program. So thank you, program finish. So that's all. Thank you.